Guys, welcome back to my messy workshop. I just came back from picking up a bit of an RC lot, if you will, a couple of things in there. Yeah, let's have a look. All right, so basically this box is pretty much full. Got a body here. I'm not even sure what it is. Looks like one of those pre-printed bodies kind of thing. Pretty beat up GT40. Oh wait, what the heck is that? This is probably the crown or what I picked up today. Basically, it's a Clodzilla 4 chassis. I'm guessing that goes that way, and this goes this way. I mean, aside from these things here, which are humongous, it's got independent servos. So basically the way it's set up is it's got the stock Clod servo savers with a alternately mounted servo. I'm not sure who makes that or if it's just custom. Yeah, these things definitely gotta come off. I know in the early 90s I actually made something like this, but they weren't as big. Chrome looks quite beat on it, but I'm probably gonna keep the axles for a different project. I might get rid of the chassis itself. I mean, I already have my ESP, so I don't really need another one. But that's pretty cool. What else do we got? We have a TT01 with parts that need to be remounted. Original Tamiya ESC. And sure, that's a Futaba receiver. It looks like a Futaba servo. Why is there a piece of foam on the back? I don't know. So that looks pretty good, pretty complete. We have what seems to be in fairly good condition. Any guys know what this is? It's kind of dirty, but seems pretty good. And if you look here, that pretty much says Tamiya King Cab. So I have a King Cab chassis. But that's all I got. A really old radio. Button there. This is obviously an airplane radio. 4 channels, it seems. 4 or 5 channels, possibly. I think it's seen better days. No idea if it works. Don't even know where the batteries go. Or is it the whole back that opens up? I don't know. I'll have a look at that after. Here's another very cool find. It's basically an F103. I'm not sure how complete this is. A bunch of parts. That actually looks like a what do you call it? Lunchbox or Midnight Pumpkin bumper. There's some more plates for the F103. And the other bag also has some F103 parts. Oh, there's a drive shaft for something. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, so that was it. Lots of fun. Always fun to get good deals locally, and you know, you keep some stuff, sell the rest, so it all basically cancels itself out, if you will, making things affordable. So that's about it for now. So I'll catch you guys later. Ciao.